Ce soir, on a vécu un moment extraordinaire ici à l'habitation Murat à Marie-Galante. Tarrus Riley, c'était juste la tête d'affiche de cette deuxième soirée du festival. Et on a vécu forcément, je pense que vous aussi, un moment comme nul autre pareil. Hi Tarrus, wow, 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 wow. This was magical on the stage tonight. That's right.
Thank you, merci beaucoup.
No,
Thank you.
for real.
Thank you so much.
Each artist who play on this stage feel like a magical, a particular spirit and vibe. Do you feel it too tonight?
Do I feel a vibe?
Yeah.
I do feel a vibe. I feel a very good vibe. The people were in good spirits and we had a good time.
Exactly.
Yes, absolutely.
J'expliquais à Tarrus que les artistes qui se relaient sur la scène de Murat ont l'habitude de parler d'un esprit spécial, particulier ici, d'une vibration particulière. Et effectivement, il explique que, en général, quand les gens ont un bon esprit, forcément, on ressent également leur bon esprit, qu'on ressent un petit peu cette attention particulière. I met you once, few years ago, on the Indies Live Music Awards. You received an award in Guadeloupe. It's not your first time here in Guadeloupe, but in Marie-Galante it is.
Yes, it's my first time in Marie-Galante and hopefully not the last time.
I hope
I
so
want
too.
to come again, yeah.
I hope so too.
Yeah.
And what this little piece of paradise inspired you?
Well, it's a lot like Jamaica. It's a beautiful place. You have a lot of water, a lot of greenery,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? So it's similar to Jamaica vibes. And, you know, we love people and we love to travel and we love to see beautiful things. Yeah, it's a nice place. A nice vibes.
Absolutely.
Yeah, man.
Je disais à Tarrus que c'est pas sa première fois en Guadeloupe. On s'était déjà rencontrés d'ailleurs sur les Indies Live Music Awards. Et c'était avec Canal+, souvenez-vous-en. Et c'est vrai que c'est sa première fois en revanche ici à Marie-Galante. Et il m'expliquait que, un peu comme en Jamaïque, c'est vrai que c'est un endroit avec beaucoup de verdure, beaucoup d'eau. Et que forcément c'est un endroit qui est authentique et qui a de bonnes vibrations et qu'il s'y sent très très à l'aise. Tarrus, you sing a kind of mindful reggae. Mindful, yeah. Conscious reggae.
Yes.
It's primary for you nowadays.
Yeah, well, you know, music is very powerful. So I try to be conscious. But I give you a whole heap of different style. Fast,
Absolutely.
slow,
Yeah.
cool, hyper. But it's always mindful. That's a good thing to call, mindful reggae. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you. That's nice. It's mindful reggae for sure.
Yeah.
And, you know, I'm very mindful of what I put into the lyrics and the message that I'm putting out. Because
For
you know
young people?
Yeah, for young people and for everyone, because you know that the roots of reggae music is conscious music, you know. Even dancehall music, it's about the culture.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing. We're really advertising Jamaican culture and the music. So when people hear it, them can know say, yeah, that is what reggae music is about. You know, make mindful reggae for sure. Yeah.
Et je disais à l'instant à Tarrus
like
qu'il chante une musique qui est très consciente, évidemment, parce que il m'expliquait que la musique reggae se doit de véhiculer des messages conscients, des messages qui sont importants, que ce soit pour les plus jeunes comme pour les plus âgés, mais que c'est important pour lui de savoir que ces textes peuvent parler et peuvent surtout inspirer aussi des jeunes. One last thing, please. One last gift tonight. I know you're exhausted. And
No, man, I'm relaxing.
yeah, you're cool.
Yeah.
I'm in love with two songs of you in particular.
Yeah? Did I
Yeah.
perform them tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
She's Royal.
Yeah?
Yeah, and Good Girl Gone Bad.
You like those two?
I'm in love with them. Can you please, just for me and for all our viewers, put it in a mix for me?
No.
No, please.
Because I want
Why?
them to watch TV and I want them to watch a video. And I have a new song out called Gyal.
Okay.
Gyal. Girl, you are loved. And I really want you to love that song like how you love Good Girl Gone Bad.
Okay.
So,
Sing.
girl, your love take over me. Your body take full control of me. Girl, me love you totally, yeah. No give it up to nobody. Babes, me not do this normally. Still, me ready figure you all of me. To how we make a perfect harmony. Yeah. Come get the mahogany.
You really love me for real. Thank you very,
yeah, man.
very,
So big up
very
Canal
much.
and big up the vibes and thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
Enough love.
Tarrus.
Respect.